we paid a visit to Cherry Orchard Football Club, and it wasn't too long until we found out that nobody tells this team of girls what to do. But there was one girl in particular who meant business.
My name is Annabelle. I'm going to the women's national camp to ask them some tough questions. I'll make sure I put them on the spot. See you there. Yeah!
But the pros won't just be answering questions. They'll be going head-to-head with Annabelle.
Okay, Saoirse, first to three wins. Later on in your career, would you like to try management? And if so, what team would you like to manage?
Maybe Liverpool?
That's my favourite team.
Is it?
Yeah, who do you support actually?
I will be a Liverpool or a Celtic fan.
Oh, okay.
Red card.
I'm serious.
For what?
Fell. Can't win.
Okay, I'll give you one free shot. Go as you win. Nice. Well done.
Do you want to start or will I?
You can start.
Okay. Who shows up to training the latest on the team?
I'm gonna go Izzy.
Okay. Who on the team, if they were chocolate, would eat themselves?
I'm gonna go Izzy again. I'm sorry, Izzy. Yeah, she can take that one.
Doesn't look like you're the master of pouring around.
I think you are.
Never have I ever celebrated against a team I used to play for.
Never. I've never played against a team that I've played for.
Oh my God. I have.
Did you score?
No. Never have I ever mined the national anthem.
No, never.
Really?
No.
I have.
I have.
Everyone does it, really. Never have I ever pretended not to hear the gaffer.
Oh, yeah, all the time. I always have to pretend that I don't, when they're calling me back, I'm like, oh, what did you say, Annabelle? What did you say?
I get you though. Okay, never have I ever missed a training session to hang out with pals.
Oh, I've not.
No.
We're too good.
Yeah.
That's what we're getting from
determined.
this. Yeah.
This is training, so get your head in the game.
Exactly, I love that.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much for having me. I loved it.